पवई लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कहां जाके जंगल में बना है, पहुंचेंगे कैसे। देयर इज नथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट पवई।
क्या मतलब उस टाइम पे मतलब रेट्स क्या थे और अभी क्या मतलब
Rates were at least at 2,200 to 2,500, and now it is a 55 to 60,000 in Powai.
Powai and Mulund was the comparison. Powai was selling around 400, 800 per square feet before 2002, and Mulund was selling for 800 because Mulund has a railway station.
Welcome to another episode of Zapkey Open House. With Open House, our objective is to go beyond data and marry it with on-ground intelligence. And given that real estate is hyper-local, which means every locality is different, we believe the best people to give you insights about these markets are good and experienced brokers who've been working in that market for years. Today, we'll be covering the location of Powai. It's a very interesting location. It has gone from 2,200 rupees per square feet in 2004 to 45,000 to 50,000 per square feet in 2025. A phenomenal growth. Also interesting from a perspective that this is largely developed over the last few decades because of a vision of a private developer, the Hiranandani Group. Today, we have three guests who have more than 75 years of experience who will help us break down this market and understand this market better. We have with us Amit Motwani from Ground Realty. We have Sachin Tote from Investor Realty. And we have with us Ajit Malhotra sir from Malhotra Estates. Would love to understand, Ajit sir, your experience in the market.
I'm into consulting and advisory services for property matters since past 30 years. So I'm enjoying and specifically working in and around Powai.
So how did you get into this business, right? 2000s, how did you get into this? Were any of your family members in this business or you just started out?
No. It was just an accident due to some unavoidable circumstances. That is, I suffered some sleep disc problem. So I gave up my job and then started this. And by the grace of God, it clicked in 1995. So since then, I'm enjoying this already, this profession.
How is the market? You know, you do all types of deals. You focus on specific.
All types of deal, like right from residential to commercial and even some showrooms and all, like airlines. When initially I started, so airlines was my main client, and I've done lots of deal for airlines and courier cargo companies.
So residential. So you would have seen market sort of 2000.
Started from
2000.
Yeah.
और क्या मतलब उस टाइम पे मतलब रेट्स क्या थे और अभी क्या मतलब
Rates for at least 2,200 to 2,500, and now it is a 55 to 60,000 in Powai. Whereas not exactly Powai, in Hiranandani. Whereas out of Hiranandani, it is something 40,000.
in the subsequent discussions get more insights from your experience. Let's move on to Sachin.
I started my career with the BMS Building Management System in 2002, which is I'm still knowing the date of 8 hours, which is transformation of my life as well. But the point is that by giving the services to the residential societies, kind of, there I get to people on my table. I mean to say, I get the papers on my table to renting out the property, then the selling of the property. Going through all the documentation, all. So I feel that I can also enter into this kind of work rather than sitting on the other side of table. Let's try to sit on the front of the table, people.
Understood.
And from there, from residential society, like it's a huge 200 flats society along with the 30 shops included. We just started working with them, then understanding with them, get to interaction with the people, coming with the solutions for their requirement. So get into that property. I mean, once you sold the property, once you're renting out the property, there are other things which people needs to settle down. So for that, allowing giving that services out of the box, like electrician, plumber, just to generate a references kind of. So each that every business you know that if you do a reference business, it will be
Always beneficial.
so from there, 2002, I started looking for the Powai locations. And the Powai location is very fruitful kind of because it's very closest to the airport. Another, it's coming to the coming market because Powai has started with the complex system. If you go Powai further, I mean towards Sobo, you will get an individual building.
Complex meaning township type system, right? The सब कुछ बना हुआ है, everything is there. Everything is there.
People are getting services on their close to doorstep, kind of. They are enjoying all the things. Especially at that time, clubhouse was the new thing for everyone. So basically, the gym and the swimming pool was the attraction for everyone.
The amenities that are so common today, and every project has to have it. Started with Powai as a market.
Started for that, and there people attracted there. And the people are getting these services, kind of the township, which is Mr. Niranjan Hiranand has, getting to introduce everything. You have a good road, you have a hospitals, you have a gardens, you have schools, you have what you name it, all services you are getting it very close. Even the best important thing, you have a pathway.
Understood. Great, Sachin. Great to hear that how Powai actually started attracting buyers to his locality, right?
And because of the Mr. Niranjan Hiranand, people or other surroundings developer also just started with copycat. It's a very good thing. They're coming with the new things. I mean, you will get a ready to move kind of kitchen. So other developers like Lake Homes developer or Raheja developer, they are offering ready to move in kitchens. So people are getting that discounted price. Very good rate, they are getting it. Otherwise, Powai and Mulund was the comparison. Powai was selling around 400, 800 per square feet before 2002. And Mulund was selling for 800 rupees because Mulund has a railway station. Powai doesn't have the railway station. People are giving that local transport importance to reach there. But now it's completely different because people have their now own. The luxury was the car. Now it's a necessity. So people are now easily manageable of that.
Very, very interesting, Sachin. Let's move on to now Amit. I would love to understand your story and how you got into the business and how your experience has been.
I got into this business since 2009 to be precise. 15 साल हो गया. And आए तो थे recession की वजह से. I was doing something else. Before that, 2008, 2009 was a recession in the country. उस वक्त और कोई business समझ नहीं आ रहा था. That's how I got into this business, because the earlier business was something related to finance. And that was the thing which hit the market really bad. 2008 का जो problem था वो finance की वजह से हुआ था. तो वो सब US subprime issues के वजह से था. तो that got me to real estate. 2009 से अब यही कर रहे हैं. And we have seen market, as Sachin said, कि rate में बहुत बड़ा fluctuation देखा है. I remember selling apartments for 60 lakhs and the similar apartments are selling at 6 crores today. So we have seen miles and bound increase देखा है. 10 times and 12 times. We are not talking about 30% and 40% appreciation. बहुत सारा कुछ appreciate हुआ है सालों में. And that's how we are here. And
so you largely focus on all type of deals. Yeah.
So basically, I have a team of 5 people at this point of time. And me and my team focus on rentals, outrights, commercial, everything. But yes, we focus on Powai. That's our prime forte. We do Chandivali as a locality. We do JVLR, which is a good locality. The connecting areas like Ghatkopar, Vikhroli, Kanjurmarg, which is coming up really well. Chandivali, Andheri East, these are also connected to Powai. Everything is growing together. So rates are increasing everywhere. As we know, this complex वाला जो फंडा है वो पवई में शुरू हुआ. इसके पहले gymkhanas हुआ करते थे. And only rich people had that access to a swimming pool, to a club, a gymnasium and tennis court, lawn tennis. But बाद में societies बन गई. जब पवई शुरू हुआ था, हर किसी को देखने का नजरिया यही था कि स्टेशन नहीं है, पवई कहां से बिकेगा. People used to look at everything closer to station. मुलुंड, घाटकोपर लोकेलिटी की वैल्यू थी. पवई लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि कहां जाके जंगल में बना है, पहुंचेंगे कैसे. Things changed, market changed. पवई में रहने वाले आदमी को ट्रेन की जरूरत नहीं है. That is a different thing. देखने का नजरिया बदल गया.
So great to hear your introduction as well. How do you think the current market is? Market में भी चल क्या रहा है, अभी क्या चल रहा है, and put it in context with पहले क्या था, right? So that whoever is looking to buy, sell or interested in this location gets good insights. तो सर, अजी सर आपसे शुरू करते हैं.
करंट मार्केट में ओवर सप्लाई है.
क्यों बोलते हैं ओवर सप्लाई है? मतलब कुछ
throughout redevelopment is being taking place all over Mumbai. Powai also, all over Mumbai, IIT may be redevelopment हो रहा है. So lots of, say what you call it, society is going for redevelopment. For that reason, there's a oversupply. And specifically, Hiranandani में उतना oversupply नहीं है, but Hiranandani is able to manage to sell the properties because of the premium brand name, premium quality and all like. But as far as the other builders are concerned, they are finding a bit difficult.
So एक जो चीज है, and please again the discussion, तो Hiranandani township and Hiranandani Powai बड़ा, but are there any more parcels to build out? Saying more other developers have started to get more supply than I think Hiranandani.
Powai, everybody is eyeing to enter Powai. Powai is a market where all the developers in the country envy of, saying that कि क्या बनाया है हिरनदानी जी ने, जो भी बनाया है. और Hirandani is a landmark for the entire country, for the entire real estate industry. If you look at it, people believe कि ये जो बनाया है उन्होंने किसी और ने नहीं बनाया. Everybody is eyeing to get into. Lodha has entered already. Kanakya has already entered.
Actually, मैं 2024 में L&T sold was the highest selling project because they had a project, right?
They sold the brand.
But I'm saying that I was surprised to see that in the locality now, which is mostly related to Hiranandani, other developers are now utilizing the premium.
Everybody needs a piece of that cake. Everybody needs the piece of that cake. L&T being a brand, they have a very big land bank already. उन्होंने अपना कमर्शियल चीजें वहां से शिफ्ट करके, फैक्ट्री शिफ्ट करके वहां पर रेसिडेंशियल,
तो उनके सारे जो भी है फैक्ट्री से कमर्शियल से इट इज टर्निंग इनटू,
उन्होंने रेसिडेंशियल में कन्वर्ट किया. लैंड प्राइस बढ़ रहा है. बट आप जब पवई कहते हो तो L&T doesn't give you the feel, as in that locality doesn't give you a feel of Hiranandani. Powai is as what Hiranandani has made it. There is nothing special about Powai. Nothing special other than Hiranandani. जो बनाया है वो हिरानंदानी ने बनाया है. जो खूबसूरती है वो हिरानंदानी लोकेलिटी की है. Otherwise it is just another locality.
But again, I think Powai is Powai, but other locations that are very close to it, Chandivali, right? And these locations also have reason.
Point is that the 80% land acquired by the Hiranandani developer, which is part of Powai. So Powai 80% अगर Powai बोला तो it's a 80%.
तो अभी जो पवई के साथ के एरिया है वो कौन से
आधा एरिया में पवई का इस तरफ रोड की इस तरफ आ जाओ तो पवई हिरानंदानी का है. देन उसके अलावा पवई विहार कॉम्प्लेक्स है, फिर लेखोम्स कॉम्प्लेक्स है विच इज कनेक्टिंग पवई, फिर वहां से नाहर कॉम्प्लेक्स विच इज अराउंड 200 एकड़ जो चांदीवली है. Then again
200 acre वो पूरा so
it's a lot developers
aggregated and consolidated a lot of
Absolutely.
पवई की दूसरी तरफ जाओ तो देयर आर 100 more than 100 acres is acquired by IIT. तो वो एक है. Then
उसके फिर large land parcel of L&T.
L&T. So L&T का was there.
large areas of land, sir, are with these
with
big
Hiranandani
fields.
and L&T and even Nahar.
But अभी
Nahar has a very big land parcel. Nahar has a big.
आप बोल रहे हो
oversupply, right? Coming back to that point, but so when you say oversupply, तो you also with oversupply it means that pricing पे हमेशा थोड़ा pressure रहेगा, क्योंकि जब oversupply है तो choices बहुत है और choices है तो competition है, तो price बढ़ाना आसान नहीं होगा. Is that your also your conclusion?
प्राइस बढ़ाना उतना आसान नहीं होगा, लेकिन अगर समझिए वो अच्छी क्वालिटी दे रहे हैं और एम्यूनिटीज वगैरह दे रहे हैं तो ऑफकोर्स दे गेट अ गुड प्राइस. अभी से फॉर एग्जांपल हिरानंदानी में उन्होंने रीजेंट हिल 379 380 स्क्वायर फीट का कार्पेट का फ्लैट बनाया था. दैट लास्टली दे हैव सोल्ड इट फॉर 2 crores.
379 square feet.
We got 2 crores 79 carpet for 2 crores.
So it's a unique supply, no? Like, because Hiranandani has never, I think this is why was it actually made a wide
If you know about this, Money Control have covered Regent Hill specifically as a building in Hiranandani, जिसमें 379 carpet का 1 BHK है. मनी कंट्रोल ने ये बोल के उसको कवर किया है कि हाईएस्ट रेंटल यील्ड पूरे कंट्री में रीजेंट हिल का आता है.
I will just correct it.
70 to 75,000
वो डेटा
per
सोर्स
month.
हम ही है. ठीक है, वो डेटा सोर्स हम ही है. That it was amazing to see that you said 2 crores now.
2 crores.
At that time, I think when we reported it was 1.6 crores, and the
No,
rental.
initially they started with 1.10 1.20.
और 2 करोड़ रुपए में कासल रॉक. So almost 50,000 per square feet चल रहा है. और उस टाइम पे when we reported it was 60,000 rental for a 379 square feet.
That start.
So it had gone to 72, 73, 75.
So how Because it's almost a crazy number, right? A 379 square feet is a one room almost.
So people look at a property today as a package deal. सिर्फ घर बड़ा होने से कुछ नहीं होगा, सिर्फ अच्छी लोकेलिटी होने से कुछ नहीं होगा. There has to be a package deal. There are so many offices in Powai, so many offices. People don't want to travel.
Good point. So ये पूरा एक the kind of profile that is getting attracted.
Walking to my house and saving time and money and energy as well. तो इतने सारे offices हैं.
कि पवई से बाहर जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Name any bank, name any restaurant. So many restaurants are there on the high street.
Because it has come up with all these things. यहाँ पे commercial भी है, residential भी है. The rental yields of such locations can actually be by.
So I'll explain the kind of people who are living in this apartment. Husband wife है, both are working. दोनों को अलग अलग जगह ट्रैवल करना है. रोज सुबह 45 मिनट्स ट्रैवल में दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ का जा रहा है. शायद दोनों अलग डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं. बहुत लोग उसी जगह प्रॉपर्टी लेते हैं. They both save 45 minutes a day.
And money.
Plus
And money, right? Because
no money, I would say, doesn't get saved. You pay more to live in Powai.
I'm saying कि rental वो जो travel में money spend करने वाले थे वही आप यहाँ दे रहे हो. So you are not saving.
You're saving energy. Your own energy you're saving it. That's most
So
important.
we also explain a lot of people कि अगर आप इधर 10,000 रुपया ज्यादा दे दोगे तो 10,000 रुपए में आप अपना टाइम बचा लोगे और वही एक्स्ट्रा टाइम शायद जो क्लब हाउस वाली सोसाइटी लिए वो यूज करने मिलेगी. बिकॉज यू विल नॉट, अदरवाइज यू डोंट हैव टाइम टू यूज द एमिनिटीज.
सर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग ये जो सप्लाई है 1 BHK वाला ये आई थिंक और कहीं हर जगह तो है ही है बट इन दिस लोकेशन एज सच.
तो रीजन टिल स्पेसिफिकली 5 विंग है, 24 माला है,
27 माला है.
एक फ्लोर पे 10 फ्लैट है, सिर्फ सेम कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, सब कुछ
ज्यादा डेंसिटी.
इतना ज्यादा डेंसिटी और आज भी फुल है.
आपको वो फील नहीं होता है कि हम कोई इधर या हाई डेंस में रह रहे हैं.
amazing.
बट ऐसा सप्लाई और ऐसा 1 BHK टाइप सप्लाई और पोवाई चांदीवाली एरिया में
नहीं
इतना बड़ा नहीं.
कोई new.
इतना प्रीमियम नहीं.
न्यू डेवलपर्स में ला रहे हैं ऐसा सप्लाई.
अब नहीं ला रहा कोई, ये अप मार्केट है.
नहीं ला रहा है, but even L&T they started.
हीरानंदानी ने किसी रीजन से बनाया था छोटा प्रॉपर्टी. हीरानंदानी बड़ी प्रॉपर्टीज ही बनाते थे, बट एक वन पॉइंट दे हैड टू मेक सम स्मॉल अपार्टमेंट्स. दैट्स वेयर रीजेंट हिल.
सो एक और मैक्रो से क्योंकि सी आई हैव बीन इन द स्पेस आल्सो फॉर मोर देन अ डेकेड बट मैं थोड़ा मैक्रो देखा है. क्या देखा था पहले एक ट्रेंड था कि सब ना स्मॉलर अपार्टमेंट्स बना रहे थे कि बजट पर फिट करने.
Because the price and size match.
And now
इट हैज रिवर्स्ड कि जितना बड़ा बनाओगे उतना प्रीमियम एंड यू नो सो
नहीं, देयर आर द मार्केट इज इन स्प्लिट्स. नहीं, मार्केट में सब बन रहा है ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. 1 BHK भी बन रहा है 300, 350, 400 फुट का. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट्स द न्यू स्टैंडर्ड कि छोटे अपार्टमेंट बनाओ, जगह नहीं मिल रही. 2 बेडरूम बन जाते हैं आजकल 550 फुट में. किसी जमाने में 470 फुट के 1 बेडरूम बनते थे. 3 बेडरूम बन रहे हैं 750 फुट में, जो पहले 1000 फुट के बनते थे. एज यू राइटली सेड, यस, लोग छोटे अपार्टमेंट बना रहे हैं बजट में बिठाने के लिए. 5 रुपए के डेयरी मिल्क का क्वांटिटी कम हो गया, पर वो 5 रुपए का ही है.
करेक्ट. ट्रेंड रिवर्स हो रहा है या आपको यू सेड मिक्स हो रहा है.
फॉरवर्ड यही होगा. प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हिच आर कमिंग अप इन वर्ली, वहां पे 350 फुट का 1 बेडरूम 2 बेडरूम्स बनाना शुरू कर दिया है, व्हिच आर हैज डबल हाइट.
जो स्टोरीज है वहां पे वो 5000 स्क्वायर फीट के भी बन रहे हैं. मतलब
सब जगह सबके लिए सब कुछ बन रहा
we've
है.
seen a trend that larger apartments are getting more supply. 1 BHK supply actually has reduced in this last 1-2 years क्योंकि because जब से कोविड आया.
कोविड के बाद से अभी मतलब डिमांड तो 2 बेड 3 बेडरूम का ज्यादा आ गया है. ऐसे 1 बेड का उतना डिमांड नहीं है.
बट बजट में बैठता 1 बेडरूम ही है एक आदमी के लिए. जिस तरीके से रेंट्स बढ़ रहे हैं,
ऑफिस का हाइब्रिड वर्किंग अभी जो 1 बेड में रह रहा था उसको चाहिए कम से कम 2 बेड होना चाहिए. 2 बेड वाले अगर हस्बैंड वाइफ काम कर रहे हैं तो 3 बेड होना चाहिए ताकि एक ऑफिस होगा. हाइब्रिड वर्किंग में आज भी मतलब IT ऑफिस
तो उसकी वजह सप्लाई का चेंज हुआ है ना, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन थोड़ा.
चेंज हो गया, डिमांड चेंज हो गई.
वर्क फ्रॉम होम की वजह से रिक्वायरमेंट्स बढ़ गई है.
बट सो इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स जो समझ में आ रही है कि because of the township and commercial establishments being there, rental demand is significantly comes at a premium.
Post
Comes
COVID
at a
it has
premium.
increased like anything.
Any examples, sir, of how you've seen rents change over the last 10 years maybe with COVID as a बीच में क्या हुआ था?
कोविड में से फॉर एग्जांपल काफी कम रेंट वगैरह थे. अभी
कोई बिल्डिंग का जहाँ पे आप
लेक होन में 40-45 थे. नाउ टुडे दे आर डिमांडिंग 80,000-85,000 रुपीज. वेरएज एक टाइम था जो हमने मतलब सिमिलर इसके अंदर टोरिनो वगैरह में दिए थे. टोरिनो में दिए थे करीबन 75-80,000 में 3 बेड के. आज वी आर गिविंग इट फॉर 2 लाख रुपीज फुली फर्निश्ड.
So another reason is that if you're making a property very good level, so I would say कि COVID में there is a data पे noted भी है, but each building has around 30% rental people, and they acquire. If you have 100 flats per society, your 30 to 40% is your rental. People are moved out.
There are a lot of people who have invested. So basically 30% rented है, मतलब there are investors, also lot of investors in the market who had invested earlier and are then
Again, power is not a business crowd market. It is a high paid network, working professionals.
working professionals. See, this is a segment of customers across. आप सबको ये
Entire Powai, you can say Chandili, Powai, in and around
Powai working professional end user market.
end user market. The point is that every 3 years now, the trend is that every 3 years people are changing their jobs. So they are holding a property being as a 24 karat gold kind of property in Powai. So they are keeping holding a
Changing job हुआ because working professional change job हुआ, location change हो गया, city change हो गया.
property change. But the another thing is the property getting a renter.
उनको अच्छा अगर सिटी भी चेंज हो गया तो वो रिलीज करके अच्छा रेट उनको दिया आने they don't want to disfill that property, they want to retain that property.
एक क्लाइंट अगर 3 साल 2 साल पवई में रह लेता है एज अ टेनेंट, ही रियलाइजेस कि यहाँ प्रॉपर्टी लेने में नुकसान नहीं होगा क्योंकि उसने अप्रिसिएशन देखा है, और वो भले फिर कहीं भी शिफ्ट हो जाए, एज दे से कि पीपल चेंज देयर जॉब्स, सिटीज, एवरीथिंग, बट देन दे हैव रियलाइज कि पवई हीरानंदानी में कभी भी ऐसा नहीं होगा मेरा घर खाली रह जाएगा, मुझे आई विल ऑलवेज गेट अ टेनेंट, व्हेनेवर आई डिसाइड टू सेल इट आई गेट अ कस्टमर इन अ मंथ.
खाली होने से
It's
पहले
easy.
टेनेंट मिल जाता है.
And
खाली होने के पहले.
Good point. खाली होने से पहले tenant मिल जाता है.
Yes, yes. Because
I would like to-
we know which flat is good. I would like to vacate it.
Correct.
So in that case, we start pitching that particular flat. So खाली होने से पहले ही tenant.
Generally आपके
So referring to Ajit sir, Powai is always be a seller market.
always be a seller's market, always, huh? But जब supply है ना, so the other angle is that when there is a lot of supply, it also means that
Convert in a buyer market, but you'll never find a buyer market. There are always people are there, like Ajit sir has said. Being as a buyer market, they have to wait for the property someone want to sell.
but today do you see that new supply is competing with, you know, जो भी new projects बन रहे हैं, right? Godrej बना रहा है, there's and a lot of branded developers have come in, right? With supply.
But वो आपस में compete कर पा रहे हैं.
हीरानंदानी का एज दे सेड 24 कैरेट गोल्ड वैल्यू है, नो डाउट अबाउट.
Well, older properties of Hiranandani commanding good rates.
So I'll give you an
Being as a
example.
size.
I know a customer who moved out of the country. They were living on rental in Hirandani. They bought a property in Kanakia. They moved to UK. Now they do not wish to come back to that Kanakia apartment. They want me to sell that flat, buy them something in Hirandani, जो कि Kanakia एक new property है, 2 साल पहले ready हुई है. They are ready to put more money in a 25-year-old building of Hiranandani than any other building or any other upcoming project which is not Hiranandani. So you get that feel. हाँ, मतलब अगर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये 7 करोड़ में मिलेगा और आपको मैं 7 करोड़ में नया दे रहा हूँ, तो 25 साल पुरानी बिल्डिंग में 7 करोड़ रुपए डालने के लिए रेडी है. नई बिल्डिंग में वो सोच रहे हैं हीरानंदानी ब्रांड नहीं है, मुझे 7 करोड़ डालना है कि नहीं डालना है. That is the power of Hiranandani. That is what he has built. That's how people trust him, and he has delivered that.
और कोई trends जो it's so also, right? Because we have to bring different perspectives to our viewers. What are the challenges that you see in this market, right? We've spoken a lot of positives about the location and all of that, but what do you think?
There is a main challenge is people have to keep their money for the location.
It's comparatively expensive to other
Of course.
surrounding locations, so it's more expensive. This is a good point there. But what are the other challenges that you see?
Traffic would become a big problem. As Ajit sir said कि oversupply है. As पवई oversupply है, हीरानंदानी में भी oversupply है. जब मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ ये 1 BHK इतने सारे बने हैं, इतने और बन रहे हैं, इतने छोटे और अपार्टमेंट बन रहे हैं उनके हाईलैंड करके प्रोजेक्ट. द ओनली कंसर्न व्हाट आई फील कि ये अब ऑलरेडी जैम है, ये ऑल चोकअप हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रैफिक, क्योंकि जो रोड्स बने हैं वो बने हैं. रोड्स वाइडनिंग के लिए और कोई स्पॉट नहीं है. यहाँ से आप बाहर जब JVLR पे निकलते
Scope ही नहीं है वहाँ पे, by the way. Scope-
आप जब JVLR पे बाहर निकलते हो,
This will start impacting buyer, because see, real estate is cycle, no?
गवर्नमेंट नीड्स टू फाइंड सम वेज.
Government is working on that. The metro is the only one solution which every are working.
One of the solution.
There are underground metros working very close to Powai, very close to Andheri MIDC, which is close to Powai location. There are other ways government is working on it.
पवई तीनों तरफ से मेट्रो आ रहा है, अंधेरी की तरफ आ रहा है, पवई से गुजर के जा रहा है, घाटकोपर वाले रोड पे आ रहा है. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा डीकंजेस्ट करेगा, बट प्रोवाइडेड इफ पीपल स्टॉप टेकिंग देयर कार्स आउट, बिकॉज जितनी बिल्डिंग्स आती जाएगी, इतने बड़े बड़े
So I think this is like for any large city across the world, right? If you use private transport, you are not going to enjoy it at all. And unfortunately, India public transport has not come up to that level that it is comfortable for everyone. Hopefully that changes with metro.
थोड़ा मेट्रो डीकंजेस्ट कर दे, वी ऑल आर होपिंग दैट.
What are the other locations which come into picture which are benefiting?
आउटस्कर्ट्स
Then
चांदिवली, घाटकोपर, कांजूरमार्ग, विक्रोली में लोधा आ रहा है और प्रोजेक्ट काफी हद तक चल रहा है, लोग वहां भी जा रहे हैं, काफी लोग शिफ्ट, जो पवई नहीं लेर मार्ग है, गोदरेज है, कांजूर मार्ग में रुनवाल है, कनाकिया है, बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ पवई के आजू बाजू में बना रहे हैं. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कमिंग अप.
5 to 6 kilometer.
इनफैक्ट मोर लेस देन दैट, आई वुड से
3.5 किलोमीटर में
आप अपने पैसे बचा सकते हो. जो चीज 55,000 की है वहां 35,000 की है.
So significantly,
difference.
so there are a lot of these areas that you've just mentioned that are benefiting or are attracting.
इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी. अगर आप पवई में काम करते हो तो हर कोई पवई अफोर्ड कर पाएगा, नॉट नेसेसरी. सीनियर मैनेजमेंट कर रहा है, शायद दूसरे लोग आसपास में ले रहे हैं. चांदिवली इज अगेन अ प्रीमियम लोकेशन, इट्स अ गुड लोकेशन, इट हैज कम अप रियली वेल. चांदिवली में एक अच्छा बड़ा मॉल आ रहा है अब, एंड वेरी ब्यूटीफुल समथिंग. आई हैव सीन द लेआउट एंड स्टफ. सो थिंग्स वुड चेंज. मतलब वो और जो बाजू का एरिया भी है वो ऑलरेडी आई वुड से इट्स एन अपमार्केट थिंग, और बढ़ेगा और सुधरेगा.
One other point that I wanted to discuss here is that Powai is also an education hub, right? That IIT Bombay has been there for decades. NITI has become IIM Mumbai.
Niti has become IIM Mumbai. Yeah.
What do you think has been the impact of these marquee, prestigious institutions on a market like Powai? Because I think Powai also is called the Silicon Valley of Mumbai, right? But we've seen a lot of in the past the stories that I've heard, right? That a lot of companies, the latest being Zepto, moving out of Powai, right? They were based out of Powai, and past experiences like Ola was also started in Powai. Do you see if such things happen? Have you seen any impact of that as such in the market, even briefly or not?
It helps the market. It helps Powai market. Yes, as you say, Powai, Silicon Valley of Mumbai. Yes, it is named that way. That's how Kanakia
Even
came up with the
Kanakia,
project.
Silicon
Kanakia Silicon Valley बोला जाता है.
Silicon Valley.
Target all the techno.
क्योंकि प्रोजेक्ट का नाम पहले कुछ और था. It was some other name, and then they shifted it to Silicon Valley. And yes, a lot of people who have who have studied in IIT started staying in that locality, Powai. वहीं से startup शुरू हुए. I know Topper as a company has started in Powai. Ola has started in Powai.
They've all moved down.
काफी कुछ है. मतलब there are
Being as a moved out.
Your rental region, very high rentals.
Very high rentals.
Very high
So,
rentals.
So I think the other thing is that given that the premiumness of the locality, it's actually driving away innovation, and it's not attracting.
I would not say that. It is not about that as well. But ठीक है, बहुत लोग टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से भी बैंगलोर शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. बहुत सारी कंपनियां शिफ्ट हो रही है. It's not just
The requirement of resources is so
maybe
much
ease
that
of
you can't
working
really-
or whatever. It can be a lot of reason, not just Powai or not just rental. Can be anything. Policies, बहुत कुछ होगा. State policies, काफी कुछ होगा. But yes, बहुत सारे startups Powai से शुरू होते हैं. IIT से रिलेटेड जितने भी लोगों ने स्टार्टअप शुरू किए, इफ यू नोटिस, बहुत लोगों ने पवई से शुरू किए. दैट हैज बेनिफिटेड पवई इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंपनी. बट ठीक है, एक प्रपोर्शन के बाद बड़े होके वो शिफ्ट हो गए. दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. बट है, एज यू से, सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ मुंबई, यस इट इज.
उनके दिल में आज भी वैसा है कि जहाँ से शुरुआत हुई है, उपज हुई है, वहीं से जाके वो लोग वापस कनेक्टेड है.
Housing.com started from Powai.
So let's move on to the next section, जहाँ पे we want to bring out from your decades of experience some unique client stories, जो मतलब बहुत unique हो, and our viewers can, some of them will definitely relate to it, that it's not a unique thing because there's so many people who go through such unique situations. So maybe let's start with you, Amit.
I can share a story which happened recently with me. Outright transaction. Customer is looking for a property in Powai Hiranandani. Already lives in Hiranandani. The seller lives in Hiranandani. Property Hiranandani की सब कुछ वही है, वही लोकेशन का है. A 3-bedroom, we fixed the amount. एक अमाउंट डिसाइड हो गया, ये अमाउंट में ये प्रॉपर्टी हो रही है. बायर सेलर का मीटिंग हो गया, MOU हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया. आपस में डिस्कशन कर लिया कि ठीक है, वील गो अहेड. एक अमाउंट फाइनल हो गया, टोकन प्लेस हो गया, MOU साइन हो गया. अब बारी आई टेनेंट को इन्फॉर्म करने की कि हमको ये फ्लैट हमने बेच दिया है, बैंक का वैल्यूएशन वाला आएगा, बिकॉज परचेजर इज टेकिंग अ होम लोन, यू नीड टू कोऑपरेट. द टेनेंट इज नॉट रेडी टू कोऑपरेट. Not at all. In fact, they started fighting with the owner as well as the valuation guy, saying that कि मेरा 2 साल का agreement है, जब तक ये 2 साल की agreement खत्म नहीं होगी हम खाली नहीं करेंगे, which technically is not the right thing. आपका एक लॉक इन है अग्रीमेंट में, अगर लॉक इन है, लॉक इन ऑनर करना है, और एल्स द ओनर हैज टू पे द कॉम्पनसेशन. टेनेंट ने 2 दिन के अंदर कोर्ट में केस डाल दिया. आज जो अग्रीमेंट, जो ट्रांजैक्शन फरवरी में कंक्लूड होना था, वो दिसंबर पे चला गया, जब तक लॉक इन खत्म नहीं होगा. और वो भी क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि वो लॉक इन के बाद खाली करेंगे. कोर्ट में केस चालू कर दिया, पहले स्मॉल कॉज कोर्ट में चले गए, फिर सिविल में चले गए. अब पता नहीं कहां जाके सॉल्व होगा, बट वो खाली करने से मना कर रहे हैं.
But what is so very good, interesting story. So wherein a tenant is actually become a roadblock to the sale. So do you
roadblock हो गया, but actually end of the day he'll be removed from the premises.
Exactly. Once his lock in is over, he has to.
So Ajit sir, आपका तो बहुत experience है. You've been in the industry for long. A unique story that you can share with us.
हमारे पास एक क्लाइंट आए थे जो कि पवई में ही रहते हैं, उनका 2 BHK खरीदने के लिए. जब मैंने उनसे इंक्वायरी किया कि आप कहाँ रहते हो और आपका कौन से साइज ऑफ अपार्टमेंट में रहते हो, तो उन्होंने बताया कि वो 3 BHK में रहते हैं, लेकिन 3 BHK से वो 2 BHK में डाउनग्रेड कर रहे थे अपने आप को.
पवई में, हाँ?
ये पवई में बिकॉज ऑफ द मेडिकल रीजन, उनको पैसे चाहिए थे फॉर हिज मेडिकल एक्सपेंसेस. तो उन्होंने सोचा कि व्हाई नॉट, मतलब ये प्रॉपर्टी बेच के इसको एनकैश करके जो भी है, बस पास की जो सेविंग वो नहीं खर्चा करना चाहते थे, तो वो अपने आप को उन्होंने डाउनग्रेड करके instead of मतलब staying in 3 BHK.
What was the value of that 3 BHK and क्या मतलब what was the amounts here?
Value was what to say approximately 3.5 crore. So which he took for 2 BHK, he took it for say something for 2.25. So he got the difference amount for his medical expenses and all that. So that way matlab he relied on his property which he has purchased long back.
So real estate actually
At the time of emergency.
good story that that
इन्वेस्टमेंट हेल्प्स. अगर रियल एस्टेट हो, गोल्ड हो, हर चीज हेल्प करती है, नो डाउट.
कुछ भी इन्वेस्टमेंट आपका हेल्प करता है. मतलब से फॉर एग्जांपल कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ पैसे की जरूरत है, तो उससे तो हेल्प करता है. इन्वेस्टमेंट हो गया, गोल्ड हो गया.
काइंड ऑफ ये स्टोरीज क्या होता है कि इट कम्स अराउंड द पीपल की इनकी जरूरत है, इनको डाउनग्रेड करो, बट वैसा नहीं है. बीइंग एज अ पवई नहीं, इट्स सेलिंग इजीली एंड दे कैन बाय. तो उन्होंने मार्केट प्राइस में बेचा होगा आई एम श्योर, और मार्केट प्राइस में खरीदा होगा.
नहीं, वो बाद में उनको चाहिए तो फिर वो वापस से खरीद भी सकते हैं. एक बार मतलब समझो सिचुएशन अंडर कंट्रोल आ गया तो दे कैन परचेज. लेकिन क्या है, प्रायोरिटी कीप्स ऑन,
सिचुएशन का फायदा नहीं किसी ने.
प्रायोरिटी कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग ना, प्रायोरिटी कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. आज से फॉर एग्जांपल जिसके 3 बेड की रिक्वायरमेंट है, वो 3 क्या 4 में भी जाता है, 4 से कोई 3 BHK में भी आ जाता है, कोई यहाँ से मतलब चेंज करके अलग सिटी में ही चला जाता है. तो एट दैट टाइम मतलब समझो प्रॉपर्टी है.
हमारी लाइन में क्या होता है, जो बात फैलती कि भाई इनको जरूरत है पैसे का, तो पीपल आर टेकिंग एन.
I would say, Sandeep, I have not seen distress sale in Powai.
डिस्ट्रेक्शन, देयर इज नो डिस्ट्रेक्शन इन पवई.
वर्ड हमने सुना नहीं. मैं आज 14-15 साल हो गया. एक तो हम डिस्ट्रेस क्लाइंट अगर एक होता है, आता है, मुझे कोई डिस्ट्रेस प्रॉपर्टी दिलाओ,
है ही नहीं, मिलता प्रॉपर्टी में, है ही नहीं.
पवई ब्रोकर एक डिस्ट्रेस बायर जो ढूंढना चाहता है प्रॉपर्टी, किसी का फायदा उठाना चाह रहा है, कोई प्रॉपर्टी नहीं हमारे पास. इट इज बिकॉज पवई मार्केट में डिस्ट्रेस नाम की कोई चीज ही नहीं. आपकी बिल्डिंग में आपको बायर मिल जाएगा.
इट्स लाइक अ हॉट केक. बाकी वो केस में भी उसने डाउनग्रेड इसलिए किया बिकॉज ही वांटेड मनी, बट वो भी डिस्ट्रेस सेल नहीं था.
लोग एजुकेशन के लिए करते हैं, कोई मेडिकल के लिए करता है.
it's a good example of how a real estate investment actually helps in bad times, right? Sachin, now coming to you, any unique story that
It's an experience story for me to, people are coming with us the requirement with the budget saying, which we normally ask, but otherwise we can't segregate the property for them. We have from 1 crore to 10 crore, right?
Huge variation in Powai.
So normally we ask what kind of budget you are having, what size you are looking at. So we are trying to match price with size so that people get in their product back. So one of my client, this was in 2008, 2009, the market was really crashed. But India was doing good at that time. The property was not that stress level. So they came up with these, looking in, especially in Hiranandani for a 4 BHK. We showed that. I mean, before coming to me, they are already seen the properties and they come to me through some references. So one day I asked them, what kind of you looking at? You have seen these, this building, other building, they have almost covered. So I came to know, I'm just really, okay, your requirement is, we take you only one building which is constructed by a developer, Vadhwa. The building called name nowadays Lakefront Solitaire. So specifically in Powai, if you coming, so people are asking Powai Lakeview apartment. So that's a USP of everywhere. So I've taken it, which is, the building is stand exactly of Powai Lake. I showed them on a 23rd floor, which was raw flat. And then suddenly comes in my mind, there is a one duplex flat is above. I just, put a word there. So, Dada, you can see this flat, but from there you can see a whirly ceiling.
Oh, interesting.
That way. So that clicks him inside in his mind, might, as well seen that. So taken it that flat, he showed the flat, and he made up his mind he wanted to buy that, and he purchased that property.
So instead of a 4 BHK, he bought a
Duplex, which is 6 BHK. So cost would be around, at that time he was looking around between 4 to 5 CR. So he has purchased between 10 to 12 CR crore that property. So
sometimes you end up with clients who can surprise you with a budget which is double what
good. So that is the experience, which I got from him. So you never know. Only thing is you have to cater your client with spending with time with them timely, and then show the property. Just we have to give a good product to them. They will more happy on that.
Thank you, Sachin, for that unique example. So now let's move on to our next section, which will also be playing to your strengths, which is, for our viewers, tell us which are your top 5 projects in the location. It can be new, it can be old, it can be premium, it can be affordable, all of that, right? So let's start with Ajit sir.
Empress Hill. Hiranani Empress Hill, good size of a flat with a huge deck. Then comes L&T. L&T is also coming with a bigger size of flat. Elixir.
Kanakya Future City.
Kanakya Silicon Valley. And even Nahar is coming up with bigger flats now. Nahar ho gaya. Then ये 4 projects ही है मतलब समझे.
These are the 4 projects that
that I would recommend. Yeah.
Okay. And you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
But any in these projects कुछ improvements that you think would have?
Hiranani excellent quality and excellent finishing and all like. Whereas even what you call that L&T Elixir. So good size of apartment with lake view, deck, and then facing RA and all like. So these are the plus point for Elixir. Then Nahar is also coming up with a bigger size of flat, as I told you, and it is facing a hill, Powai hills and all like. So that would also give a good view and all like.
So got your picks. Sachin, what are your picks? Pros and cons, thoda dono mix, if you can share for our viewers.
So what the people are looking for in Powai, especially, I wanted to mention the project called Isle of Powai, which is constructed by GHP. I mean, Gopal Sharma and family. So the Sharma family is own, people are knowing the entire Powai, Prashant Sharma and family, especially. So they are given this property to the Hiranani developer and other developers as well. So they are coming with, next to IIM Mumbai, they are coming with a project called Isle of Powai, which is around more than a 20 floors project. The lifetime Vihar Lake view, which is, there is another lake, behind a Powai lake. So lifetime Vihar Lake view, they sold a property in a month's time. Now they are coming with another tower, which is 3 BHK. They sold a 1 and 2 BHK. So people should look at it that if they are looking for. And second pick is, of course, Nahar is coming with the bigger size apartment, which is, people have a budget kind of. They are not able to take in Hiranandani, but yes, very close to Hiran, they will take the property, which is minimum size of 1100, 1500 car. There is another project coming up, Raheja developer, which is very close to Powai. It's a hardly 3 kilometer distance. And it has a low density, bigger size apartment. And of course, Raheja has a very good known, K Raheja especially, they have a very good name in the construction industry. They are doing very good apartment. So these are the, if I would say, this.
Your 3 picks. Any other that you?
Point is that if the people are aspiration have their, Powai address they want. So there are other buildings developer, individual buildings also developing under the redevelopment project. So they can also pick the properties there, like 1 BHK, larger size, 2 BHKs, 3 BHK.
So a lot of redevelopment projects also, single buildings are coming up, which you would suggest if the budget is a constraint. Amit, what are your top picks in this market, and some pros and some cons?
Sandeep, I would answer this question in a different way because list तो सेम ही है, यही नाम है जो पवई में काम करते हैं. There are limited number of developers who are working in and around पवई. तो लिस्ट तो सेम ही होगी मोटा मोटा, बट आई वुड से पवई चांदीवली एज अ लोकेलिटी आई कैन बेट ऑन इट कि आप कुछ भी ले लो, आपका कहीं नुकसान नहीं होगा. आप हीरानंदानी लो, नॉन हीरानंदानी लो, कुछ भी लो, प्रॉपर्टी अप्रिशिएट होगी. हीरानंदानी के प्राइसेस गिरने के चांसेस बहुत कम है. स्टेबल रहेंगे या ऊपर जाएंगे, पीछे नहीं आते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. मतलब आई हैव सीन प्रॉपर्टीज. आई दैट डे आई मेट एन ओनर ऑफ हीरानंदानी who bought the property in 2009 for 2 crore 40 lakhs and selling it for 8 crores now. So there's a huge jump. हर किसी ने कमाया है. And I don't think यही है नाम गोदरेज, L&T, लोधा, हीरानंदानी, हर कोई लेके आ रहा है प्रोजेक्ट. पवई as a locality is a no challenge, no brainer. Just go ahead and invest. You will get your returns back.
So now let's move on to our last section. This is section where I will reach out to all of you to say, give some insights कि अगले 12 महीने में क्या हो रहा है. What is your forecast for the next 12 months? क्या चीजें देख रहे हो, क्या ट्रेंड्स दिख रहे हैं, और अगर कुछ बायर के टिप्स हैं तो let's start with Ajit sir.
Abhi, specifically in Powai Hiranandani, lots of expatriates have come and they prefer staying there only because of the infrastructure. And apart from that, because of the size of the flats what they get, plus the rentals are also as per their this thing, and they want all fully furnished flats and all like. So owners are also very happy to give it to them.
Generally expats from which location?
Specifically from Japan. Lots
A growing trend.
yeah. Lots of expatriates from Japan had come because of the infrastructure which is being developed in Mumbai. So maybe some this thing ARN train jo bullet train and all.
So Japanese are going.
Yeah, bullet train, then what you call that metro and all like hyper tube वगैरह का भी कुछ बातचीत चल रही थी. तो उसके लिए काफी जापानीज वगैरह आए हुए हैं और वो काफी आएंगे भी. एंड देन दे आर गुड पे मास्टर. दे मतलब once they like the flat and all like, so the owners are also willing to give it to them only because of the safety and security of the rentals, that is they'll get it on time. Plus they have their own demands and all like, and then even in Hiranandani hospital, Japanese desk has come up.
Very nice.
And,
Japanese school has
a school has also come up.
Japanese school.
Japanese school has also.
The government has
Maybe it could be the first one in India or for Bombay to at least.
Japanese School of Mumbai.
second. Japanese there is yeah.
Japanese school has come up, and even people who are staying in what you call it, having their offices in Bandra and all, they prefer staying in.
So basically, you're seeing a trend of expats increasing in Hiranandani and in Powai general over the next.
This trend for last 5-7 years actually एक कम्युनिटी बन चुकी है. अगर आप पवई में देखोगे बहुत जापानीज आ चुके हैं.
Rentals will increase. No, rentals will increase. Rentals will increase, and say whosoever is invested, they'll get good rentals.
Even they are suggested from their consulate before coming to India. They are checking with the other subordinate or coordinator, their friends, which building they are going to prefer to stay and all. There are people, the Japanese community, they have specifically mentioned the buildings as well. You look for this building, there are. So especially if I would say there are a building called a Glencroft or Torino. Colonial. People are differentiate on that. So look for a smaller size of good rental. So Glencroft. Bigger size apartment, especially the Korean people. So Samsung Construction got a contract of the Reliance Jio. So they are distributed, 50% goes to the Bandra, which is close to the location, and the 50% goes to the Powai. So suddenly the Powai got a 30% hike in terms of rentals. Because of the location, getting a contract, and they want a full-fledged, good ambience kind of location. So people have moved there. So Basel moved to Bandra because it's social life, and the family people to the Powai. But there are other things that was missing.
And they are comfortable with the safety and security also. It is having an excellent security. Secure.
Mumbai is very secure in that. Thanks to our Mumbai police, they are maintaining very well law and order. But the commercial things was missing in Powai. So that would be commercial shops, and there are
Commercial office buildings are sufficient. Are in fact many.
But it's completely full.
That was a campus. I mean, there are a company who takes entire building. So they are you treat it as a campus company occupation. But middle size, the small size office building, say your
शॉप तो है ही नहीं, forget ऑफिसेज, शॉप्स भी नहीं है.
So you're saying that there is a under supply or lack of supply of
That lie.
there's a lack of supply, but nowadays that is also over. That's the second position because everything you will get on online. But the eatery kind of you are enjoying with the ambience, which is done by the other companies who has bought the properties and they are converted, kind of taking proper permissions and they converted the like livelihood. The
so restaurants and bars which were missing actually have now come in. So this trend will continue.
Restaurants in Powai now. Best of the restaurants in the city.
so that was missing, but now that's fulfilled.
And you think it will continue to, there will be more of that supply coming
There's a
up.
high demand. There's a high demand. You come across a lot of HNIs in Powai. Powai, if you look at the rental value, outright value, people who are buying property have a good money to spend. Their disposal income is high. Every big brand wants to be in Powai. Every new brand has to be in Powai. You name the brand, you name a startup, they have an aspiration. अगर वो बॉम्बे में 4 लोकेशन फाइनल करते हैं, उसमें एक पवई होगा ही होगा. There has to be.
In fact, as per 2024 sales, right, that we tracked, Powai is in the top 5 locations of sales. It sold, I think, more than 5,000 crores of inventory in the last year.
So if you check with any of the portals who are working, real estate portals like Magic Break, 99, Housing.com, the maximum traffic they have, I've heard that from them, is Powai and Mira Road. Mira Road for their reasons, budget reasons, and Powai because people have aspirational value. Powai has an aspirational value. जो भी surroundings में रह रहा है, हर किसी को Powai shift होना है.
But coming to your predictions on what you think in the next 12 months as a buyer or a seller or whatever, what do you think?
Surplus property in the market. I'm talking about people who are ready to buy property in the market. It's a wait and watch kind of a market because इतना surplus है बॉम्बे में, इतना redevelopment हो रहा है जिसका कोई लिमिट नहीं है. ये सब सिस्टम, ये सब प्रॉपर्टीज मार्केट में आ जाएगा 2025 के एंड में, 2026 में. I feel people who are planning to invest as an investment should wait and watch. People buying property end use के तौर पे they should consider buying it or maybe wait a little. Market यहाँ से और कितना ऊपर जाएगा, we are talking about across Bombay, we are not just talking about Powai because Powai ठीक है, market बहुत छोटा है तो वहाँ पर प्राइसिंग नीचे तो आने का चांस तो कम है. But if you look at across Mumbai, there would be surplus supply. आप प्रॉपर्टी ले रहे हो 8.5 पौने 9% इंटरेस्ट दे रहे हो बैंक को और आप उसको रेंटल पे देना चाहते हो और आपको 2.5% which is standard across Mumbai.
Except some locations that we discussed, but
In best case scenarios 3%, 3.5%, शायद 4%. Best case scenarios. People are happy. It is about luck. So I have bought a property out of Bombay and I'm getting 7% return on that. So it is. बोलने का मतलब ये है कि wait and watch. 9% पे लोन लेके अगर आप 2% कमाना चाहते हो और आप सोचते हो पहले ही 7% माइनस में है, प्रॉपर्टी उतनी अप्रिशिएट होनी चाहिए to balance things. So or else you're in trouble.
so good point, good tip for buyers that and also good note to end saying that wait and watch. But Powai as a market is a very premium market.
End user should get on the train.
It's an end user market anyways. So that's a good note to end. Thank you for watching the episode. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In case you have any feedback for us or any queries regarding any projects in Powai, please drop in a message or comment, and we will try to reply to all of your queries. Thank you.